Hello everyone, welcome to this brand new lesson. Now I'm going to show you how you can install PyCharm in your computer. You need to type here PyCharm, alright. So once you type there PyCharm, then you will get here the PyCharm, the Python IDE for professional developers. Then you can click on it, alright. Thereafter you will get here PyCharm, but once you start downloading the PyCharm, it will ask about the email. Then they will send you a link, alright. And there you have here a community version as well, alright. So now it is saying that download has started. Alright, perfect. So the download has successfully started here, and it is going to take a little time to complete its download in our local computer. So we are going to wait for some time. Thereafter we will start this lesson. Alright, so installation is done almost, and then we can view this download. Alright. And there we have a PyCharm community, and this PyCharm is also installed here. PyCharm is also downloaded in our download folder. Let's go ahead, double click on it. Then it will pop up here. Do you want to run this file? Yes, I want to run it. Thereafter click on S, and then we are going to choose here next. Alright, thereafter destination folder, we are gonna keep here a default destination folder. Then I'm going to add here 64-bit launcher. Thereafter I'm going to say that here add launchers directory to the path, alright. And then I'm going to associate all of my .py, that's mean the Python files, with the PyCharm, alright. And thereafter add open folder as a project. I'm not gonna do that, okay. Thereafter JetBrains, alright, that's okay. Click on install, and then it is going to install this PyCharm in our computer. Alright, so PyCharm is installed in my computer, and then it is asking that we need to reboot our computer. So I'm gonna click on reboot now, alright. And if it asks in your computer, then reboot, otherwise it's okay. Alright, so I'm gonna finish it. So it's gonna take a little time to reboot my computer. So I'm gonna wait for some time so that this reboot completed. Alright, so the reboot is completed to my computer. Now I'm gonna open it. So it is just rebooting. Alright, so it is doing a final finish. Perfect. Now it is ready to work on. Now you can open here PyCharm. Double click on PyCharm Community Edition. Once you double click on it, it might take a little time to open it. Alright, so since this is the first time, so it's gonna take a while because it needs to set a lot of the thing in the background. Alright, so we are going to wait a little time. Alright, so once you open it for first time, it will ask about the privacy policy. So I confirm that. Click on continue. Then I don't want to send my statistics, computer statistics, to anybody else. Thereafter you will get here the customized PyCharm, alright, and this is the Dracula, and this one is kind of, you know, the dark theme. So I'm gonna select this dark theme, alright, and then I'm going to use it. Alright, start using PyCharm. I'm not gonna do these things actually. Alright, perfect. Thereafter I'm going to start using PyCharm. Alright, perfect. So it is again going to take a little time because this is the first time. Whenever you installed it first time, it is going to take a little time because it needs a background setting. Alright, perfect. So the PyCharm is installed. Thereafter you can click on here a new project. Alright, so there is create new project. All right, I'm just gonna give here that this is the test. All right, or you can say here I'm gonna give here its name as hello world. All right, to the project name. Thereafter it is asking about new environment using, which we are going to use. So these are the new environments, but I'm gonna say that use it by default. All right, so that's mean the virtual environment. All right, and these are the base interpreter, that's mean the Python where it is installed, and we are going to say that okay, use it for all the time and make available to all projects. All right, perfect, and inherits global side packages, that's mean use all those packages which is available for all the users and all the projects. Thereafter I'm going to create it. All right, so this is the first project, then it is going to take a little time, and then it is going to create this virtual environment for us, and it will set all the things for us. You can close this tab. All right, it is saying that you can get the auto completion with the tab, and then you can hit the enter to complete that tab. All right, so it is indexing here and creating the virtual environment for us as well. Since this is the first time, it will take a little time to complete all of these processings. All right, so all the settings are done here almost, and it is just discovering binary modules. Although now we are ready to start work with with our Python file. You can click on the Control Shift and New to go to file. Otherwise you can create also new file. All right, you can create new file from here. All right, otherwise you can select here this hello world. Thereafter inside this virtual environment we have all these things. All right, so these libraries and script. All right, perfect. Let's go ahead and right click here, then we have here new, and in this new I'm going to create here a Python file, and in this Python file I'm gonna write here hello. All right, thereafter click on this one hello.py, hit the enter, then it will create that Python file for us, hello.py. so it's gonna take a little time. All right, everything is done here. Thereafter now we can write something if you want, like age equal to 5, and then I'm gonna write here b is equal to. All right, if you want to increase this the font size, you can also increase with the settings. All right, let me increase the settings first, then in this appearance you have here, and then in the size I'm gonna use here a 20. All right, perfect. So with this 20 size, now we can see our PyCharm with the with the larger one. But here you see this text is still in a small font. So what we need to do here, we need to again click on the settings. Thereafter we have to select here a font. All right, otherwise we can select here the editor. I think this seems a little high, so I'm gonna select it instead of I'm gonna select it 16. Actually 16 will work better. Thereafter we need to also go in the editor, and in the editor you need to go in font, and then this font I'm going to select it 18. All right, I think this one will work better for us. Thereafter click on OK. Now we can see here with a larger, all right, with a larger font size. So a is equal to 5 and then b is equal to 6. Thereafter I'm going to say here a 6 is equal to a plus b. All right, thereafter I'm going to say here print is c, and then let's go ahead and use another print as well, like this one. All right, hello world. All right, so this is your Python file. Then you can save it. Thereafter you need to come here inside this run, then you click on this run. All right, so once you click on run, then you will get here edit the configuration. All right, so in this edit configuration you have to first click on this plus button. Thereafter you need to click on this Python. All right, so in this Python we are going to select here. All right, the script path, which we already have our script. All right, so the script which we are going to run, actually it is inside this hello world, and that was the hello.py. all right, once you get it, apply it, and then we are going to run it. All right, so this is saying that the result of this is 11, and then we have here hello world. All right, perfect. Congratulations, you have installed PyCharm and you have also successfully run your Python script in the PyCharm. All right, great. So this is all about in this lesson. Thanks a lot for watching it. I'll see you next lesson.